Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? Well, you're looking into a huge, amazing place called space. Our planet, Earth, is part of a special family in that vast space. This family is called the Solar System. Think of it like a giant neighborhood, with lots of different members all traveling together. Everything in this neighborhood circles around one very big, very bright star. It's a cosmic dance that has been happening for billions and billions of years, and we have a front row seat right here on Earth to watch it all unfold. It's our home, our corner of the universe, full of incredible wonders. At the very center of our solar system is that giant star I mentioned. Its name is the Sun. The Sun is like the boss of our neighborhood. It's so big and powerful that its gravity, which is a kind of invisible pulling force, holds everything together. All the planets, including our own, are constantly pulled by the Sun's gravity, which keeps them from flying off into deep space. This gravitational pull is what makes the planets orbit or travel in a path around the Sun. The Sun is not just a big boss, it's also a source of incredible energy, providing the light and heat that make life on Earth possible. The solar system is made up of the Sun and everything that orbits it. This includes 8 amazing planets, each with its own unique personality and features. But that's not all. There are also smaller worlds called dwarf planets like Pluto. We also have countless moons that orbit the planets, kind of like smaller companions tagging along for the ride. And zipping through it all are asteroids, which are big space rocks, and comets, which are like giant icy snowballs that leave beautiful tails behind them as they get closer to the Sun. It's a busy, bustling place with so much to see. So when we talk about the solar system, we're really talking about our home on a grand scale. It's a system because all its parts work together in a predictable way, held in place by the Sun's powerful gravity. Learning about it helps us understand our own planet better. It shows us how special Earth is and helps us ask big questions about the universe. Are there other solar systems out there? Could there be life on other planets? These are the questions that make science so exciting. Our solar system is the first step on a journey to find the answers. Let's start our grand tour with the planets closest to the Sun. The very first planet is Mercury. It's a small, rocky world and the fastest planet in our solar system, zipping around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. Next up is Venus, which is often called Earth's sister planet because it's about the same size. But be careful, Venus is the hottest planet, with a thick, toxic atmosphere that traps heat like a greenhouse. Then we have our home, the beautiful blue and green planet Earth. It's the only place we know of that has liquid water on its surface and is teeming with life. It's truly a special oasis in space. Moving farther away from the Sun, we encounter the fourth planet, Mars. You might know it as the red planet because its surface is covered in reddish iron-rich dust, giving it a rusty appearance. Scientists are very curious about Mars because they think it might have had water long ago. After Mars, we come to a giant. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's so big that all the other planets could fit inside it. Jupiter is famous for its Great Red Spot, which is a gigantic storm that has been raging for hundreds of years. It's a swirling, stormy world unlike any other. Our journey continues to the sixth planet, the stunning Saturn. Saturn is known for its spectacular rings, which are not solid but made of billions of tiny pieces of ice, rock, and dust. These rings make Saturn one of the most beautiful and recognizable sights in our entire solar system. Next, we travel to the seventh planet, Uranus. This planet is a bit of an oddball because it spins on its side, almost like it's rolling through space. It's a very cold and icy place, often called an ice giant because of its composition. It's a true mystery world waiting to be explored further. Finally, we reach the eighth and most distant planet, Neptune. This deep blue world is another ice giant, and it's the windiest planet in the solar system. Winds on Neptune can reach supersonic speeds, faster than the speed of sound. It's a dark, cold, and stormy place, very far from the warmth of the Sun. Each of these 8 planets tells a different story about how our solar system formed and evolved. From fiery Venus to icy Neptune, they are all unique members of our cosmic family, each with its own secrets waiting to be discovered by future explorers and scientists. While the planets are the stars of the show, they are not traveling alone on their journey around the Sun. Many of them have companions called moons. Moons are natural satellites that orbit a planet, just like the planets orbit the sun. Our own planet, Earth, has one beautiful moon that lights up our night sky. But some planets have a whole collection of them. For instance, the giant planets Jupiter and Saturn have dozens and dozens of moons each, forming their own mini solar systems. These moons come in all shapes and sizes, from icy worlds with hidden oceans to volcanic worlds that are constantly erupting. Beyond the planets and their moons, our solar system is filled with countless smaller objects. Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter lies a region called the asteroid belt. This is where millions of asteroids, which are essentially large space rocks of all different sizes, are found. Most of them orbit the Sun peacefully in this belt, but sometimes they can be knocked out of their path. These asteroids are like leftover building materials from when the planets were first forming billions of years ago. Studying them can give us clues about the early history of our solar system and how everything came to be. Then there are the comets, which are often called dirty snowballs of the cosmos. These incredible objects are made of ice, dust, and rock, and they come from the very cold, very distant outer reaches of our solar system. As a comet gets closer to the Sun on its long, looping orbit, the Sun's heat causes the ice to turn into gas. This process creates a glowing head and a long, beautiful tail that can stretch for millions of miles across the sky. Seeing a comet streak through the night is a rare and breathtaking event, a true celestial spectacle for all to see. All of these objects, moons, asteroids, and comets, make our solar system a much more interesting and dynamic place. They are not just random bits of rock and ice. They are important pieces of the puzzle. They interact with the planets, sometimes even colliding with them, shaping their surfaces and histories over eons. By studying these smaller bodies, scientists can piece together the story of our cosmic neighborhood. Every single rock and every icy wanderer has a tale to tell about the grand, swirling history of our amazing solar system. So, why is it so exciting to learn about our solar system? Because it's like being a detective in the biggest mystery of all time. Every time we send a robotic probe to another planet or point a powerful telescope at a distant moon, we uncover new clues about how the universe works. We learn about giant storms on Jupiter, hidden oceans on moons of Saturn, and ancient riverbeds on Mars. These discoveries help us understand not just other worlds, but also our own. By comparing Earth to other planets, we can learn what makes our home so special and how we can protect it. Exploring space also pushes us to be smarter and more creative. To send a rover to Mars or a satellite to orbit Jupiter, we have to solve really hard problems. Scientists and engineers have to invent new technologies, new materials, and new ways of thinking. This challenge inspires people to study science, technology, engineering, and math. It encourages us to dream big and to work together to achieve incredible things. The quest to explore our solar system is a powerful engine for innovation that benefits everyone here on Earth, leading to new inventions we use in our everyday lives. Furthermore, the study of our solar system connects us all. When we look up at the same moon or watch a meteor shower streak across the sky, we are sharing a universal experience. The wonders of space belong to everyone on Earth, no matter where they live. Exploring space is a great adventure for all of humanity. It satisfies our natural curiosity, that deep-down feeling of wanting to know what's over the next hill or beyond the next star. It reminds us that we are part of something much, much bigger than our daily lives, a vast and beautiful cosmos. The journey into our solar system has only just begun. There are still so many mysteries to solve and so many worlds to visit. Perhaps one day you could be one of the explorers who helps uncover the next big secret of the cosmos. Maybe you'll design the rocket that takes us to Mars, or discover a new moon orbiting Neptune. The universe is waiting for us. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring. Because the adventure of space is an endless one, and the next amazing discovery is right around the corner, waiting for us to find it. Consider it.